Hi there, I'm the new MBUX Hyperscreen, and I'm here to assist you on many new levels. Now, you'll never have to worry about missing an exit. The navigation will always be on the screen, even if you make a call, turn on the massage, or change the music. My artificial intelligence will also know which of these options to suggest on your personal screen, because I'm continuously learning. I'll optimize my suggestions based on your previous feedback and patterns, combined with parameters like time, location, or temperature. I'm looking forward to talking to you soon.
Intelligent, emotional, and very customer-centric. You've got like an 8-core CPU, 17.7-inch in the middle screen. On the side, you got 12.3. Lots of data, technology. I would say watching the video. These magic modules are something which just comes in front of you and go back. It's like AI modules, and they are just there when you need them. Navigation, phone, massage, lots of them, depend upon your use. Intelligent, lightsabers, and also very fascinating. Actually all the seats, but the co-driver is the best.